If you're seeing GoDaddy login error messages, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common issues and the fastest ways to fix them so you can get back into your account. Whether you're locked out after too many failed attempts, getting a browser warning, seeing a secure site error, or simply forgot your username or password, I'm going to show you exactly what to do step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. The first error message you might see is, "We locked your account due to too many incorrect login attempts." This usually happens when the wrong password has been entered several times. If that's the case, the quickest fix is to reset your password right away. Go to the GoDaddy sign-in or password recovery page and start the reset process. If you still have access to the email address or phone number linked to your account, you can use that to verify your identity and create a new password. If you're not in a rush, another option is to wait 24 hours. Because GoDaddy may automatically unlock the account after a cooldown period. But if you want the fastest route back in, the password reset is usually the best choice. Now let's talk about the second common message. Your browser is a bit unusual. This error often appears when GoDaddy detects something on your browser or network that looks different from a normal sign-in. A very common cause is a VPN or antivirus feature interfering with the login page. If you have a VPN turned on, switch it off and try again. If your antivirus has web protection or browser protection settings, temporarily disable those features and test the login again. Another helpful step is clearing your browser cache and cookies because old session data can cause sign-in problems. Also, make sure third-party cookies are allowed, since some login pages depend on them to authenticate properly. If the issue still continues, try using a different browser, such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Sometimes simply switching browsers is enough to get past the error. Next, you may see your connection is not private or secure site not available. This can be confusing, but in many cases it happens because you're using a redirected link such as email.domain.tld instead of the official GoDaddy login page. The safest fix is to go directly to the official GoDaddy sign-in page in your browser and log in from there. Avoid using old bookmarks or custom redirects if they're sending you through a page that triggers the security warning. Once you're on the correct GoDaddy page, try signing in again. If the warning continues, double-check your internet connection, disable anything that might be filtering traffic, and make sure the site address is correct before entering your details. Another very common issue is simply forgetting your username or password. If that's the problem, GoDaddy has a password reset tool that can help you retrieve your username or reset your password. Start by selecting the Sign In Help or Forgot Password option on the login page. Follow the prompts and enter the email address or account details associated with your GoDaddy account. From there, GoDaddy will guide you through account recovery steps so you can regain access. If you're unsure which email address you used, check your inboxes for older GoDaddy billing emails or account notifications because that can help you identify the correct login. Here's a good general tip if you're still stuck. Always make sure you're using the official GoDaddy website and avoid signing in from random links in emails or search results unless you trust them completely. Also, if you recently changed your password, give it a moment and make sure your browser isn't autofilling an old one by mistake. It can also help to open a private or incognito window because that removes stored cookies and can prevent session conflicts. So to quickly recap, if your account is locked, reset your password or wait 24 hours. If the browser seems unusual, turn off VPN or antivirus protections, clear cache, allow third-party cookies, or switch browsers. If you get a secure site warning, use the official GoDaddy sign-in page. And if you forgot your username or password, use the GoDaddy recovery tool to get back in. I hope this helped you fix your GoDaddy login error messages. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.